Good day, puppy lovers. I thought I'd do a quick video here. I just received my Andis 2-speed cordless nail grinder from Amazon.
For those who don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010.
I thought that I would open this up with you guys. This is, I am using this Andis grinder, which is fine. This works fine. It's just that I saw this one and it's cordless, and I think I would prefer cordless. So let's open this up and see what's inside, and we'll try it out and see if I like, which I'm pretty sure I will. I actually saw this, I'm going to give a little shout out here. I saw this grinder on another YouTube channel where it's, the channel is Grooming by Rudy. He's just awesome. Really good groomer, and he's been grooming for a long time, so he knows his stuff. So he was using one of these, and this here, and by the way, I am not, what do they call that? I'm not being paid for this or whatever. This is just me who bought this little doohickey, and I wanted to open it with you guys and try it out for the first time. I'm hoping that there's a little bit of battery life already in it. Got an Andis sticker. A lot of Andis stickers. Look at that. So where are we going to stick this? Huh? We got an Andis sticker. Here, you do Andis. There you go. There. So this is an Andis pup. Hey creator, let's just say you made a great call. This is one hell of a good product. Since this is such a gem, make sure you register this with, this will help us continue improving our products for you. So together we can create a brighter future. Andis.com, that is so cute. So we got that, we got some stickers, we got a sticker on our pup here. She's a little anxious. What are you doing being anxious? Huh? We got another card here, so I'm gonna try to make it quick because I don't want him to be so anxious. Oh, he is pretty. Oh. Yeah, it is pretty. It is light. And it comes with an extra bit here, which I don't know if I'm going to be using. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, it is charged. It's full. I thought it said 2-speed. Is there a beep? I can't even hear it. Can you hear it? Oh my god. I'm trying to figure out how it works here. Because I just click it. There's 2 speeds on there. I'm not sure how it. What I mean, I don't know, I'm just clicking on the button and it goes on and then it goes off. It says turbo here. What's turbo go? My god, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. This is so light. This is so light. And you know, I'll compare it with this one. Check this one out. And there's a lot of vibration. It's heavier. I like it though. Hang on here and I work the nails. But I work with really small dogs. Listen to this one. It's actually on. Oh my god. Oh wow. My little Andis pup here. I'm gonna do this first. I need to shave. I had started shaving here. And we need to get rid of all of this hair first before we start clipping. Because you want to see what you're doing, right? We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Get rid of all of that hair. Cat, bring it in closer. And I really want to make this a short video because this little one is a little stressed out here. And these nails are so long. I haven't seen him in a while now. Last time I saw him was in March, and now it's July. End of March, and now we're pretty close to mid-July. Hang on, honey. I usually like to start with clipping some off because there's just too much to grind. Look at those toenails. It's too much to grind. So I'm gonna cut some off, just the curvature of the nail, whatever is curving. I'll come in nice and flat. See this way? I'll come in nice and flat and just take that tip off right there. And I hold the nail. Same thing, I just keep my finger underneath the nail. And I'm gonna do this like that. Take some off. Okay, we're gonna try the grinder now. So there's this little protection hood thing so that the hair does not get caught and twirl around in there and rip it and yank it out of his skin. I don't know, I've never tried this one, so usually you hold the nail. Don't just do that. You gotta hold the nail, right? Okay, maybe this way. This is all new for me, guys. Wow, look at that, it just rounds it out. Okay, I gotta get used to it. You know, I'm used to the other one. So here we are. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm getting the feel of it. I'm getting the feel. I can go round and round with it. Oh, wow, I am in love. I am sold on it. I am in love with it. You still got to get the hairs out of the way best you can. I went and I touched it with my thumb, so it turned it off. But guys, you see that? Wow. I hope you see that. Get in close, guys. I'm gonna get you in as close as I can. Look at this. Watch this. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Ooh, honey, you're being such a good boy. Yeah, hang on, honey. I just want to show. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna do these here. I'm gonna just take the hook off. See, I thought it was still on. It's just it's so quiet, I wasn't even sure. So I'm just gonna take this tip off here. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna come back in and watch. Turn it on. It's actually on, guys. Look at that. I'm wondering if I'm on the low. I gotta read the instructions, I guess, because I'm only getting one speed and I don't know why it says it's 2 speeds, right? Cordless nail, dual speed motor. Okay, so I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to back this up. And I'm going to hang on, bear with me. I don't have a cameraman. This little Andis pup. Oh, look at that curl. You know, while I'm at it, I'll bring it back in. I'm going to show you how I deal with the curl like that. Look at this curl. Watch well, guys. Okay, there's different things we can do here. Okay, first, I'm going to shave this so that we can see better that he's got a really bad curl in his nail here that I'm going to get rid of. Fix that. These nails are so long that as I'm trying to just clip the hair, the nail is coming in and getting in the way of the clipper. Okay. All right, come here, honey, the Andis pup. I'm going to show you the nail here. See his thumb, his little thumb here? Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? See that? That's curled in all the way to his little paw pad here, little thumb here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the curl out. You got to be sure you're clipping from the right end. It's happened before where I didn't know if the nail was growing from here and going that way, or if it was going from here to that way. But this one's fine. I can see where it's at. I use these little ones because you can get in. Hang on, honey. I'm just going to show this here. I can get in easily. I wouldn't be able to get in with these big ones here. So it's good to have these little ones for these little dogs here. He might yelp. I didn't even press, and he yelped already. He knows that this is bad. This is bad news here. So I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible. He will yelp probably. I'm not hurting him. So it just scares him. Took the nail out. Took the nail out. And that probably squeezes also. So hang on, don't bite, honey. Don't bite, no bites, no bites. Okay, I'm getting what is it with my nail tutorials? I always end up with a pup that doesn't want, huh? So I'm going to try to take some more off here. Guys, we got this. I'll take my mask off first of all. Alright, so I'm going to take a little more off. Flat. Like that. Yeah. As long as you get rid of that hook so he doesn't get caught in anything. He doesn't like this. He doesn't want this. You know, maybe it's been like this for a while and he's not. I'm going to go in with my little, no, he won't want that. Can I? No, he won't want. I am not going to bother him. I'm not going to bother him more with that. Okay. I'm going to calm him and keep him calm. We're going to do the other side. And later, once I'm done his groom, because as you see, he's not done. He got his bath. He got a first shave. He's got knots to get, I need to take some of those knots out. So right now, he's going up, right? He's almost at a 10 where it's don't touch anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to finish this side for you guys. And see if he lets me do it. If not, I'm going to have to go back and do some more of the grooming. And then maybe come back to the video and do more grinding and whatnot. All I want right now is for him to change his mind, and I don't think he will right now. Can I do this? You know, it's good that if you're doing the pads or whatever you're doing, if ever the dog he's had enough of it, just move on to something else and then come back, okay? You just come back afterwards. So the beauty of doing videos is I can set this on pause. Look at the length of the nail here, guys. I can set this on pause and do it again. Do it a little more later. Take some of that off. More. I can take more off. There you go. I'm starting to see that little dot in the middle. You see that dot in the middle? It's probably a little far for you to see. He's patient just the same, huh? Look at that nail. Look at that nail. Okay, Lychee, give me a second. His name is Lychee, by the way. Lychee! I want to show them the grinder again. Can you let me show them the grinder again? Can we do this again? Or you want to do it later? Want to do this later? Turn it on. Nice and quiet. Round and round in there. That's perfect. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it's not on turbo though. Wait. Try to understand. It says there's only one button here. That's all there is. There's no other button anywhere. I don't get it. Well, they say dual speed. Maybe there's not. I don't know. I'll have to read and see. There's only one button I see, so maybe that's just the title of it. But anyhow, really easy to do. But as I would probably, so you can take this off. As I probably do though. Oh, there, I got it. Okay, so that's what it is. You turn it on, you click once, and then you double click for the double speed. There you go. I'm a little higher. Okay, you can't hear it, eh? can't hear that. And then you lock it back into place. Let's try the dual speed here. So that's one. Click double. It's on high. Seriously, most of the time these dogs, they just don't like the sound of it, right? How loud it gets. And what I'm noticing, if you're pressing too hard, the drum stops. The little Dremel slows down. So there's no pressure. You don't have to add any pressure at all. It's best if you're grinding to don't hold it in place the whole time because the nail will get hot and that'll burn. But yeah, pretty cool. See, so if I'm going to do it with this one, look at the difference. You hear that? This for sure seems more aggressive. Actually is more aggressive. That really brings it down a lot. Yeah, more aggressive, but I still like my grinder. This one, less aggressive, very quiet, but gets the job done pretty well too. Yeah, see, I'm grinding those nails. Yep, good job. Good job, Andis. Whew. So I'm gonna finish doing his nails. Hang on, sorry for the dizziness here. Ah, there we go. So I'm gonna take this off. Paw, little paw. Whoa, that's sticky. Boop. That's sticky. All right, way to go, Andis. Did a good job. Really like it. Nice and lightweight, clean, sleek. Looks nice.
Hey there, pet parents and grooming gurus. If you enjoyed my tail-wagging transformations and want more tips to keep your furry friends looking fabulous, just hit that subscribe button. Remember, every click helps spread the love and lathers of grooming joy. Subscribe now and let's embark on this fluffy journey together.